ॐ समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम् हरि ओम. We shall see in a nutshell three Karanas. Karana, three means three, 1, 2, 3 number. Karana, instruments, instrument. Life is a constant interaction between the individual and the world around. That is life. Living means what? Right from birth till we leave the body, we keep on interacting with the world around. Okay. Now we have three instruments through which we act. One is physical body. Second is the speech. Okay. Hands and legs, what we do through the body. Vani, speech. Second one, instrument of communication. And mind. Third one is mind. Okay. Now, the goal is, in order to be successful in life, whatever we do, and also to be successful in spiritual world or even material world, what I was thinking, what I was talking to you. In both these arenas, the three instruments what we have are to be purified, regulated, to be used wisely. Right? First point. Second point is, none of us can remain without action even for a split second. Oh, I can sit quietly without acting. But thinking is also an action. Even in deep sleep state where there is no mind temporarily dissolved, there also activities are going on, involuntary activities, heartbeat, blood circulation, breathing, and many other functions of the body continue, digestion, etc. So activity can never be stopped. If it's stopped, that is equal to death. That means death alone. So second point is, first point I said, we have only three instruments through which we can achieve, we can make our lives, or we can mar or destroy our lives. So Shuddhi or purity is absolutely necessary in order to achieve the results that we wanted. Kayika Shuddhi, Vachika Shuddhi, Manasika Shuddhi. Because if instruments are not pure, not in good condition, I cannot express. The body is not good, hands and legs are not proper, I cannot work. If my speech faculty is not good, stammering, or not even speaking properly, then I cannot effectively communicate. The speech is not there. And through speech alone, we win the hearts. Because if our words are calm, calming, loving, kind, concern, caring. If we have these qualities towards others, so through speech, we can help, we can create a beautiful environment around us. So, Vachika Shuddhi, Vachika Tapasya, Bhagavan Krishna speaks that अनुद्वेगकरं वाक्यं सत्यं प्रियहितं च यत् स्वाध्यायाभ्यसनं चैव वाङ्मयतप उच्यते. Bhagavan says, Anudvegakaram vakyam. How to purify the vak? Because again, I am pointing you. If instruments are not proper, I cannot communicate. If telescope is not proper, or chashma is not proper, instrument through which I am seeing, if it is not proper, I cannot see. I cannot work. The laptop is not working. I cannot work in the instruments through which I reach out. And unless I reach out in the world outside, I cannot be successful. So these three things are always important through which we live. So now I'll come to the body part later. First, we'll speak on speech. Speech is such a beautiful thing. We can win the hearts of people. We can have healthy relationships with the people. When we don't talk anything, udvegakaram vakyam, which our speech should not cause any disturbances or agitations in the other's mind. So proper talk, otherwise you come across, you talk something, then you have to again correct it and say, no, it was not meant like that, then apologies. If we see in political circles or in society, we come across in newspaper, something without control over tongue, I talk nonsense and then I lose my friends, and then certain business deals also are cancelled or relationships are broken. It's difficult. Once we utter a word and the arrow of a bad word pierces the heart of the other person, it cannot be healed. The mark will remain forever. So, anudvegakaram vakyam. Sentences or words which should not cause any disturbances in the other's mind. Satyam, be always transparent. Priyahitam. Here, people speak. Every truth need not be spoken. Number one. So, speak truth. Only when it is necessary to speak, you speak. Every truth need not be spoken. And speak in a pleasant way, not hurting. It may be truth, but you must convey it in a very gently so the other person is not hurt. So these are all tapasya, penance of speech. Through speech, we can do this tapasya. Satyam priyahitam cha. Swadhyaya abhyasanam. Practice of studies, scriptural studies. Uttering good words, stotrams, or good reading, or talking about good things. So energy, positive energy is created when we speak good things, when we take the Lord's name, when we read good books with loudly, uchchaswara, swadhyaya, veda pathanam, veda mantra pathanam, or certain good stotrams, stutis, both are same. So this is purified. And if you can speak in such a way, kindly and nicely without hurting, you will be a great leader, successful leader. So that is one Karanam instrument. Speech. Let us come to body level. Body is an instrument for us, given to all of us by the Lord, to move about in the world, to work with the hands and legs. We need hands and legs. So, body should not be abused. It's an instrument. How do we abuse the body? First, we abuse by pumping into the body all kinds of junk food or food which is not compatible to the body, unhealthy food, unhealthy drinks, which creates tremendous disturbances in the body, health wise, agility of the body, All these things are destroyed. So first food. And second is exercise. Proper exercise with the body, walking, or whatever exercise you do. So body should be under control. It is called tapasya through pinay because that's the only means it is we have to move about in the world, to work in the world, to achieve what we want. We have body also as a means. So body should be respected. Body to be treated as a temple. Then only Shariram Adyam Khalu Dharma Sadhanam. The body, if it is there, then only I can practice good Dharma Sadhanam, good things. Righteousness can be practiced only when I have good physical body. So take care of the physical body. Do not abuse the body. It is a great instrument for us to achieve what we wanted to achieve. Even if you want to achieve tapasya, body should be healthy. You want to achieve material prosperity, body should be healthy. So that is a great tapasya. So one instrument is called body also to be taken care of. Now these two, speech and the body, are nothing but the expressions of the mind. Because mind is thoughts, thought flow of thoughts is the mind. So whatever thoughts I get, they alone are expressed through speech and they alone are expressed as actions in the body, through the body, in the world outside. So major portion of tapasya is manasika shuddhi, pure mind. Mind which is freed from jealousies, hatred, attachments, depressions, dejections, confusions. The mind which is pure, mind is which is inspired, motivated, mind which has a very cooperative mind which we have. Because that mind which is cooperating with me in my good sadhana, that mind is said to be under my control. That mind which is not listening to me, which is acting contra to my good wishes, that mind is said to be not under my control. So mind is flow of thoughts. Mind has to be purified. So thought purification. So good ethical values, good understanding in the buddhi, which is translated, or that understanding in the buddhi reflects in the mind. So the mind is purified, mind is making soft, kept soft as a good instrument we can achieve because mind is the real doer. Mind is the real doer. Therefore, mind alone is a cause for both bondage and liberation. Bondage in a thought, in an idea, we get bound. A wrong notion, we get bound. We cannot give up that particular notion. A thought, a wrong thought. Thought binds me. So I get bound by the thought, I am not free. So that becomes insistence. Duragraha in Hindi. Insistence. I pressurize myself, I pressurize everybody around to follow my dictates, my thinking. So mind is also to be purified. And through mind is energy field. So mind is instrument of, you can communicate through mind, you can really do wonders. You can really extend good thoughts, good wishes toward all the beings in the world. So therefore, these three are very important. They have to be aligned properly. So think good, speak only that good in a nice way, and do good things in the world outside. When these three are aligned, that personality becomes a magnetic personality. When these three things are not aligned, because manasyekam, vachasyekam, mind speaks something, says something, you speak something, and does something. There is no synchronization between these three. There is no harmony between the mind, speech, and the body. That disharmony causes great pain because it throws up a disharmony, life of disharmony. Harmony will not be there within oneself, nor harmony will be there with the people around. Therefore, the most important thing is to keep these instruments pure, regulated, under our guidance. So, Kaya Trikarana Shuddhi, it is called purification. Mind, speech, and the body. These three instruments we have through which we work and attain success. So, these three are to be taken care of properly. Okay? So, this is called Trikarana Shuddhi in our Shastras in a nutshell. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Thank you.